In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Microsoft Teams. Pinning a message is a simple but powerful way to keep important information easy to find. This is especially helpful in busy chats where messages move quickly and key details can easily get buried. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to pin a message so that you and your team can refer back to it anytime. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Teams, either in your browser or in the desktop app. Once you're on the main team screen, look toward the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a vertical menu with icons such as Activity, Chat, Teams, and so on. Click on the chat icon. This will open your list of recent conversations. From here, choose the specific chat where the message you want to pin is located. This could be a one-on-one conversation, a group chat, or even a meeting chat. Click on that chat to open the full message history so you can scroll and find the exact message you want to highlight. Next, move your mouse over the message you want to pin. When you hover over it, a small menu of options will appear near the message, usually showing icons like reactions, reply, and more options. You're looking for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can perform on that message. In this list, look for the option that says Pin for Everyone. Go ahead and click Pin for Everyone. When you do this, that message will now be pinned for all participants in the chat, not just for you. Depending on the version of Teams you're using, the pinned message will usually appear at the top of the chat or in a dedicated pinned section, making it stand out from the rest of the conversation. Use this feature for messages that contain important instructions, meeting links, deadlines, or key updates that people will need to refer back to frequently. If priorities change later, you can always go back to the same three-dot menu on the pinned message and look for an option to unpin it, keeping your chat clean and relevant. And that's it. You've learned how to pin a message in Microsoft Teams by opening your chat, using the three-dot menu on a message, and selecting Pin for Everyone.